Cling that, man. You're mad. Yo. So me got so they do. Yo, star. Check it out once more, man, and go so. Then we got so then. Ooh ah, bad man not dance like go-go. Some white in the dancing calypso. And I look at the body and then down low. Oh no. Ooh ah, if you ever try this future, when you can't come back from the avenue, you have the one that is somewhere you pay number 2. Oh, you a move so high, miss a post right, and you just get your badness and move overnight. Oh, you a move so hard, miss a bodyguard, and now you there the man you done, I get it done. Do your gun there on your waist, you want come shot me in my face, I cannot respect.
Well, it's always a pleasure, you know. I was here a long time ago.
Yes.
But it's good to be back, you know. And doing music for a long time, like 16 years now. You know, to have the kids still knowing the songs, you know, it's good, you know.
So what is the secret of your success?
just doing music for the people, you know, just doing music not for myself, you know.
Just that.
But just trying to do music where people can enjoy, people can dance, sing, you know, happy music. You know, that's how I enjoy performing. I love to see when the people have a good time. I think some of the old school music are the best. You know, like Murder She Wrote with Chaka Demus and Players, Heads Eye, Pull Up. You know, so, you know, we have to let the kids know where the music is coming from. That's why we have an album called Sweet Jamaica, where we did a reggae side and a dancehall side, because we want to remind the people where the music is coming from. So the kids that don't know Heads Eye, because Heads Eye was 16 years ago. So someone who is 10 years old now, when I perform Heads Eye, they learn Heads Eye, you know, and when I come another 10 years and I sing it again, young kids again learn it again, and it keeps passing through lots of generations. Yeah, this Mr. Vegas, I got it like a mad mug. Don't chain or don't plug or nothing. Rock it up. Mad mug, turn up.
Oh, you a move so hype, miss a post right, and you just get your badness and move overnight. You a move too hard,